Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni-Ann, and today I will be doing the Hex Girls. So it's 3 looks, so it'll be a voiceover. Let me know how you guys feel about that. If you want to see how I do each look, then just continue watching. So I start with the P. Louise Rumour base in number 2, and then I just apply that on my eye. Next, I'm going to go into my current fave, the Sample Beauty Painters palette, and use the colour Leo at the front of my eye, and I'm just going to softly blend that out. I tap into the front area just to make the colour a bit more opaque and continue blending it out a bit further. I cut the crease off camera, it would have taken too long, so I'm just filling it in round the edge before I blend Leo out a bit, just to make sure the shape is a bit better. Then I go into canvas and I just fill in the whole area where I cut the crease. I then went back into Leo and started creating the smoky liner. To complete the look of the liner, I just stretch it out a bit on my eye to give it a soft edge before I blend out the rest of Leo next to the cut crease. Using Morphe Dark Room eyeliner, I just use that on my lower lash line, and I make it quite thick because I want to smoke it out like I do on the other side. I then go into smoky and then I smoke it out. I saw a makeup artist do this where they just use their finger to soften out the edge, and I really like the look of it. And I'm just filling in any gaps that are underneath my eyes. Just to clean up, I use a small detail brush with my foundation on it just to make it look a bit neater before I went and got my lashes, which are the Grace lashes. I go into my MAC Burnt Pepper blush and then use the Get Wet highlighter, the gold one, before I blend it out. And now I'm ready. Oh, lips. I use the MAC X Tiana Taylor red lipstick and smoky on my top lip, and there's the final look. So I went into my Carnival 3 palette and went into Tropics, and I blended that all out in my crease area and all over my lid. Next, I go into Key Lime, which is like a pastel green, and I use that to blend out my crease shade. And I just go back and forth between the shades until I like the blend. So I go into Tahiti green and just tap that all over the lid. Well, all over the inner part of the lid. And then I go into Tropics just to fix the blend before going back into Dark Room and just creating a very small liner and doing the same on the bottom lash line, using the same technique I used in the previous look, and then going into Black Beach and using that to further smoke it out on the top and bottom lash line. For my lips, I used the black in the palette, Black Beach and Forest, before I went back into my lash vault and used D35, and here is the final look. Okay, so I'll go into Fruity and blend that out in the crease area before I go into Blackberry, where I'm creating this halo eye effect, blending it on the outer and inner corners, and then I just keep blending until I like the blend. So I cut the crease in the middle of the eye. Then I add Tahiti all in that area where the crease was cut as a base for the shimmer shade. And then I just do one final blend of the blackberry before going into the star of the show, Starlight, and applying that all over. Then I go back into Dark Room and smoke it out on the lower lash line. It's become a theme in this video. And then go back into Black Beach and smoke it out. Now smoke it out. I'm now using the Holidays highlighter. Look at that. It's so beautiful. All over the face. Before I go into the MAC X Tiana Taylor, the purple ones, and use that on the lip. And then finally go into D12 and finish up with the Smashbox mascara. And there you go, the final look. Whew, okay, so that's it all day. Believe me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. My favorite, I think, is the first one, actually, the lead singer. I don't know their names, you know, imagine. But I'm saying, I'm a Hex Girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. I had to do it, sorry. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!